Listen up, soldier. Win here and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're up, soldier. Now go sort this fucker out. Looking a little worse for wear. You're heading back to base.
So hang on to your lug nuts, folks. Today we're talking the TUF Gaming series by ASUS. Let's go. Yeah, so like I said earlier, today we're dealing with the TUF Gaming series by ASUS. This one is for the serious gamers, fam. So prepare to be single, or stay single if you already were. Nah. So I've used this laptop for about a week now, and I can say this for on the gaming experience, overall top notch. So on a pro gamer aspect for this one, this was the take I was having it as a gamer on my end. I decided to put it to the proper stress test as a streamer, content creator, editor, and gamer. So on a live stream, of course the stress test was Call of Duty Warzone for me. And that processor, the Core Intel i5, that 10th generation processor, handled properly, which is the current one I'm having behind me is the i5. You can also fork up a bit of more cash and get yourself the Core i7, a bit more recent, and you know, upgrade. No one's stopping you. The 8GB DDR4 RAM and the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 DDR6 4GB. Oh, graphics card. That GPU was handling a proper one, fam. The 144 anti-glare screen at the back there. Keep turning to the wrong side. But either way, you can see the picture of that beautiful machine behind you. The fans are there, you know, underneath, heavy-duty fans to prevent that whole overheating process where laptop inaanzanga kuhema kama lori ya kubeba mawe. You know, that was before you got this. You will not hear that sound. You'll find yourself wondering why your laptop is that quiet when you're used to so much noise. So much noise. On the side of a battery charge, yes, it holds up to the challenge depending on what exactly you're pushing the laptop to do. On the battery itself, it may last you up to a day without having to charge it. That is if you're using it for the more menial tasks. But if you push it to the stress test on such heavy duty games like Warzone itself, it might put a bit of stress on the battery, and yeah, of course, gaming is gaming, it works like that. Either way, it holds up to the challenge when it comes to editing, when it came to streaming, on having OBS running in the background at the same time as I was playing the game. Little stress on the RAM itself, on the machine itself. It was not tiring out, it was not overheating, no dice. The stream was smooth to the core, man. As I ran through that Warzone, and the view from Warzone, running it on the high graphics, yes, it might put a bit of stress on the frame rate at some point, but the gameplay was still smooth way to the end, where I was definitely winning, so much winning on Warzone. Yeah, we'll go with that. I was winning. Either way, that being said, when I put it to the test over the course of the week that I've had it, I has held up to the challenge that a gamer would need to at soft prices. You can afford this one. ASUS has been kind enough to set soft prices for this particular machine. Pro gaming on a budget. Yes, this price is soft. I wish I had this in my campus space, fam. Either way, you can find this at the Laptop Clinic. I will drop the link right there. Laptop Clinic, you'll find the link, and you will be able to get and make your order for whichever of the series, the TUF Gaming series, you may wish to have in your gaming experience. All brought to you by ASUS.